To load a basic shape, start by turning your machine on, waiting for the welcome screen, and then tapping on the Home key and confirm by tapping OK. Click on the pattern icon, then on the basic shape icon. Here you will find all of the basic shapes that are installed on your machine. Choose the one that you would like. Then set the height or the width according to your preferences. By default, the aspect ratio lock is on, so if you change the height or the width will change proportionately. For basic shapes, you can turn this on by tapping the aspect ratio lock and then adjusting the height or width. To turn the aspect ratio lock back on, tap the aspect ratio icon, then set how many repetitions of the shape you would like and tap Set.